Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a fantastic AI template. So whenever you are preparing your research paper, so first thing is that you have to need to take your references, the list of references. So you may take references in any format at the start of your paper. So for example, if you take references in APA or Chicago format, it has to be converted into another format. For example, if you take references in Chicago format, it has to be converted into APA format. So you must convert into APA format accordingly. So for that you have to check for that formatting of the references. So if the number of references will be less, it will be very easy. So if the number of references will be more, for example, say it is as a thesis, so probably it comprises of more than 50 references. So in order to change the format of the references, you can use AI tool to change the format of the references. So just by giving what is the format you need, so AI will convert according to that format. Let us go on to today's video and explore that AI template. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tool which will be useful for research paper writing, and also you can explore that ChatGPT, what are the important research prompts in ChatGPT and how to make a better content out of it. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So those who are interested to write your research paper with the help of AI can attend this workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you are interested in EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources, so here is a live MATLAB workshop. So this workshop comprises of two different things. First, we are going to model our EV charging station in MATLAB with the PV and wind energy sources, and we are going to apply different MPPT techniques to grasp maximum amount of energy from that PV and wind energy sources. And then the second will be we are going to incorporate it with EV charging station, and we are going to check it out with different types of loads, whether how the EV charging station perform well from that input renewable energy sources. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. If you are interested in EV charging design in MATLAB, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the AI template, what we are going to discuss is that reference format, that is change your reference format. So reference format converter. So in order to explore that template, go to LMS Research Support. It leads to our AI chatbot. So here you can see different types of LMS AI templates. So starting from summarizer to blog article. So you will be having 5 different literature review templates, and also here this is the template we are going to explore today. Reference style converter. So just click on reference style converter. So it leads to a dashboard like this here. So here you can see this is reference style converter. So in that, in order to get a better understanding about the reference style, so you can go to Google Scholar. So you can select or search any random paper. So for example, here I am going to search PSO trained ANN for microgrid. So here different papers will be generated. So here you can see these are the basic different formats available. So here you can see this is MLA format, so APA format, Chicago format, Harvard, Vancouver. So like that, these are the different formats available. So here we are going to take a random reference paper from any of the open source papers. That is, I am going to go for MDPA. So here you can select any paper here, random paper here. So here I am going to select this paper. So go to reference section of this paper. So here you can see this is probably contain 251 references. So that is very important while doing this reference style converter. So because whenever the number of references will be more, so you have to convert it in bulk. So here I am going to copy this 5 references. So copy the 5 references. Go to our LMS research template, that is reference style converter template. So here you can copy that template. So in this, in order to get a better understanding, here you can see. So we are going to ask for APA format. So in this APA format, you can see the author name will come first, and then year, after the title of the paper, and then the publication details, IEEE transaction, and then the volume number, page number, etc. So here what I am going to do is I am going to give it as a APA style. So and then click convert. So it will take several seconds to generate the reference. So let us see how it will works out and how it will generate references for us. Here you can see that the reference is generated. So here you can see the first one will be the author name, and then comes the reference, that is year. After that you can get the title of the paper. So then you can see the that is publication details and page numbers. So this is how you can convert your reference style, that is reference style. So for example, I am going to do the same again with another that is another set of type, that is I am going to change it as an MLA format. So again I am going to copy and paste the same references. So MLA, type MLA, so and then click convert. So before that we have changed the references into a APA format. So it has changed perfectly, and then we will try out with MLA format. So like that you can convert bulk amount of references in a single click. So here you can see, so this is the MLA format. So in this, in order to get a better understanding, so I am going to Google Scholar again. So go to Google Scholar. So in this MLA format, the year will be at the end of the end. Here you can see after the journal details. So here you can see, so the year will be present after the journal details only. So here you can see, thereby you can get an idea. So after journal details only, the year will be presented. So like that you can convert your reference style in any of the format in a single click. Especially those who are submitting thesis, every university and every journal has their own style to be followed. For example, some journals demand APA style, some journal demand MLA style. So if you prepared your paper with some other style, so you can convert into the style needed by the journals or any universities. So you can click in a single click, you can convert into any format. So make use of this option, reference style converter, to format your references perfectly.